Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to this channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we're going to take a quick look at the Air Max 1 in the Spiral Sage colorway. Before we get into the sneakers itself, I picked up these shorts from the Nike website. Now these are regular Nike dry fit shorts in a standard fit. They have your Nike band on the inside. The reason I picked this up is because it's made from sustainable materials, and when I took a quick look at the tags, it said that these shorts are made from 100% recycled polyester. So I'm excited to try them on. You know, sustainability is the future and all of that, so props to the brand for including them in something as basic as training wear. I'm not sure, probably I'll wear these shorts out more casually than I would to the gym, because if you've seen me, you know I don't work out. I also picked up a couple of joggers from the Essentials brand, from Fear of God. These I picked up at Essence. Shout out to my guy Wear Sharp for helping me out with the shipping. And it's weird because I picked up the black one in a size small, and they have a nice kind of tapered fall to it. And I picked up another one, which is the moss green. I don't know what's it about green. I seem to be having a lot of green stuff around me lately. But yeah, I picked up this moss green sweatpants as well. These I picked up in an M size, and they kind of look too baggy. Probably would look better on high top sneakers than on a running silhouette like the Air Max. I'll have fit pics up on my Instagram. If you aren't following me on Instagram yet, I'll have the link in the description. Now let's get back to the sneaker. I'm gonna lift the lid up, and there you have it, the Spiral Sage colorway on the Air Max 1. In the meanwhile, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, hit the subscribe button down there, and give this video a thumbs up. And the reason I picked up these are actually quite a few. To begin with, I like the Air Max 1 silhouette. It's really nice and clean, and obviously the sneaker has a lot of history behind it. Secondly, it kind of reminds me of the Patta pair. Obviously the materials are different. It's suede primarily on the Patta pair. I love the fact that they also have this mini swoosh right here on the toe area, on the mud guard. And you know, it's pretty much the same as every other Air Max 1. However, they've switched it up with the materials used, because as you can see, it's all leather, all tumble upper. You have the Nike Air branding right there, a black and white outsole. You have hits of olive on the air bubble as well, and your basic soft liner with the Nike Air branding. I like that they switched up the materials on this pair, because if I were to compare it with my Air Max 1 anniversary, you can see how there's a lot of mesh and nubuck all through the pair, which makes it a little hard to beat them up, because once they get really dirty, it's hard to get those stains off regardless of your protectant sprays, which is why I appreciate the use of all leather. It's, according to me at least, easier to clean. If you have any thoughts about that, let me know in the comments. True to size, like on every other Air Max 1, there's no differences there. Like you can see, the tongue lining as well is in that Spiral Sage colorway, as well as the branding on the tab of the tongue. That pretty much covers it. There's nothing I can tell you any different from all of the other Air Max 1s out there in the market. I'm now going to slip these on feet to show you what they look like.
Crying so much to the poltergeist, trying to hold on to love, but it's frost and nice time. Much but a light from a falling sky. To the forces above.
This video is being shot on my iPhone as well, because like I said in my previous video, I ended up breaking my camera, which is why there have been no vlogs or no videos in the longest time. I'll do my best to save up on some money and buy a new camera with a proper setup. Thanks again for tuning in. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.